You have z squared equals 25. Let us factor z squared equals 25. Well, we need to simplify this before factor. This one should be 0. Let's make that 0. Now we subtract both sides by 25. None of these are like terms, so as is. Z squared minus 25 equals 0. Let's factor this. It's a difference of squares. That's section 5.2. You still remember how we factor a difference of squares? Well, we get the square root, right? Square root of z squared. Square root. We have square root of z squared. Simply divide 2 by 2. We have z. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So the result now would be z raised to 1 or simply z. Square root of 25. They're perfect squares. 5. So we have z plus 5. The other one is z minus 5 equals 0. And then we solve this. We have z plus 5 equals 0. Z minus 5 equals 0. Minus 5, your z is equal to negative 5. How about here? Plus 5 plus 5. What's your z? It's going to be 5. So your solution set would be the set negative 5, 5. We have 9y squared equals 64. We must get rid of this. Make that 0. And so that's minus 64 minus 64. What is this? We have 9y squared minus 64 equals 0. It's a perfect square, right? Both of these are perfect squares, and we have minus there. So that's a difference of squares. We can find the factors by just getting the square roots. Square root, square root. Square root of 9y squared. Square root of 9 first. 3. Okay. Square root of y squared is y. Square root of 64. 8. So 3y plus 8. The other one is 3y minus 8. Set each factor to 0. We have 3y plus 8 equals 0. Or 3y minus 8 equals 0. It's a minus 8 minus 8. So we have 3y equals 0 minus 8. We have negative 8. Divide both sides by 3. Now your y is negative 8 over 3. How about this one? All right, plus 8 plus 8. 0 plus 8. Divide both sides by 3. Y is 8 over 3. So these are your solutions. Negative 8 over 3. 8 over 3.